Have you recently had a driving conviction? Don't worry, loads of people get them here in the UK. It's not easy to get cheap insurance after a conviction, but it's not impossible. So let's dive in and I'll show you how to get the cheapest convicted driving insurance. So what exactly is convicted driver insurance? This is a type of insurance that you'll need if you've had any drinking convictions, like a drink driving conviction, a speeding conviction, or any other driving conviction. Insurance companies see convicted drivers as a higher risk, which means they'll charge you more for your insurance. However, don't panic. There are insurance companies out there that specialise in convicted driver insurance and can help find a policy that works for you. When you're looking for convicted driver insurance, the first thing you need to do is shop around. Don't just go for the first insurance company that you come across, as they might not offer the best deal. Instead, take the time to compare different insurance companies and their policies. Check out different websites, speak to different brokers, and make sure that you get a range of quotes from different insurers. It's important to be honest about your conviction. If you try to hide your conviction from your insurer, then you could end up with a policy that isn't quite right for you. Be upfront about your conviction and your insurer will be able to find the best policy for your needs. Also, make sure that you provide all the necessary information about your conviction. Things like when it happened, how many points you got, and any other relevant details. Another thing to bear in mind is that some insurers will only offer third-party insurance to convicted drivers. This means that you'll only be covered for damage that you do to other people's vehicles or property and not your own. While this might be the cheapest, it's not always the best option. If you want more comprehensive cover, you might need to pay that little bit more for your insurance. Now, let's talk about convicted driver insurance brokers. There are brokers who specialise in finding insurance for convicted drivers. They have relationship with a range of insurers and can help find the best policy for your needs. When you work with a convicted driver insurance broker, they'll take the time to understand your needs and your driving history. They'll then search for policies that work for you, taking into account your budgets and your coverage requirements. Using a convicted driver insurance broker can be a great way to save money on your insurance. They have access to deals and discounts that you might not be able to find on your own. They can also help you navigate the complex world of convicted driver insurance, making sure that you get the policy that's right for you. Below this video, I've got a short form and it'll ask you a few questions about the vehicle that you want to insure, as well as your conviction or points. It'll give you access to insurance quotes specifically designed for drivers with points or convictions. Plus, if you happen to go with one, you'll be supporting Thrifty Family, so thanks.